be bad thing I do when I take give power and responsibility to my deputy governor. But this semilocon spirit no go help you win election talk of say to come rule Edo people. Cause I know say na Edo people they choose who they want by themselves. Obaseki yarn those one when the leaders of Edo South Senatorial District carry waka come see the governor for Government House Benin City to show their support for your administration. Obaseki come talk say wetin dey happen between him and the deputy na wetin dey from fit avoid sake of say people know where dem dey come from, and say even if say you get plans to rule, this no be the time to show am sake of say the election timetable never even come out at all, and say you no fit be part of a government and still dey scatter the government. The governor come still talk say when he enter office he decide to build institutions and not individuals, and come say the constitution provides space for deputy, that na why he give responsibility to him deputy, so that wetin he no fit do him deputy go do am for am. Obaseki come talk say he no regret am at all, even though say people they blame am. Say power wey him give him deputy too much, that na why he abuse am.
You are telling the world one thing and doing another. You are loyal to your principal, yet you're in court with your principal. We're not stupid people. And yes, everybody has a right to be ambitious. There's nothing wrong with it. But you have to do it in a certain way. I cannot tell you everything that has happened in this government, but at least you all know that for me, when we came in, I said, let's build institutions and not persons. I am here today, I may not be here tomorrow. But if I'm not here tomorrow, let what I have started continue. It is in that spirit, I said, okay, the Constitution provides for a deputy. What I am not able to do, deputy, please handle for me. Is it a crime? The Constitution didn't say you have a co-governor. You have a deputy governor. So elevating a deputy governor and making him visible, is it a crime? It's because you want to build institutions. But to mistake that and misuse it, I think is unfortunate. Because you now create an impression. You say, oh, that's why they don't allow deputy governors responsibility. People are blaming me now. Oh, because you gave him too much responsibility, you gave him too much visibility, it's your fault. How can it be a fault when you say you want to groom people? I still believe, because given my background, that when young people work with you, you should expose them and prepare them for leadership in their lives. The same God that has given the opportunity, give other people opportunity. But just pray that those people have the character and so that they don't abuse the privilege. So I don't have any regrets giving him exposure. Remember when I went on leave and I said, transmitted power. Called me when I was on vacation. Oh, governor, oh, how do I do this? I said, you are in charge. Make your mistakes. When I come, I'll correct it. And it's like suddenly I made a mistake. But I don't think it's a mistake. He is the one that made a mistake. And I hope he knows and he can retrace his steps.
Senator Ehige Uzamere wey talk on behalf of the leaders of Edo South Senatorial District, come talk say them waka come to come tell the governor say them stand gidigba with him and them go continue to dey support him, and say them pray may God give him wisdom to take handle the matter wey dey between him and the deputy.
That Senator, sir, you have done a lot for Edo State and you continue to do more for us. We are here again to reaffirm that we will continue to support you in what you do to lift us up in Edo State, particularly at this time in the country where the economy has gone below. Yet we can still see what you are doing. We can still see you pay salaries when due. We also are aware through this media what is going on between you and your deputy. We stand by you. We pray that God will grant you wisdom to take the right path and to use political solution to be able to settle it amicably, because we want you to finish strong and well.
From Government House, Benin City, A. Carter Ojesali, TMC TV News.